Yo, this is a jungle. I am in literal shock. What? What are you gonna show me?
The gymnasium.
Ah,
It's a phone box.
my goodness, they even got the indoor swimming pool. Water. This is not like I thought it was like AstroTurf.
No.
What the hell? I feel like I'm in the back rooms, like I'm in a dungeon or something. What? I'm with the local councillors. You guys say you've been reporting this for how long?
Since 2016.
What? This really looks like something out of an end of the world movie. Like the apocalypse took place. There's war zones that look better than this place. Ah, nah. This is a Grandstand Pro Max. Hey. So those ones there are in, né?
Yeah, because security officers there.
Okay. But those... They stole the lights. All of the lights, all of the lights. But wait, there's more. Evana, doesn't Shrek live here?
Do you see the sand pits? Long jump.
Huh? There's supposed to be sand pits here. Wait,
Right for about 10 meters.
this is a sand pit.
Yep, for long jump.
So this was meant to be the future home of Kaizer Chiefs. They promised that 1.3 billion rand was going to be spent here. 1.3 billion rand was meant to come here. And look at what's happened to the place. Look at how little they care about sports, arts and culture. This is in Mogale City. This is in Creersdorp. And look at the state of this place. Just look. 1.3 billion rand was supposed to come here. And today nothing can take place here. My goodness gracious me. If this isn't a wake-up call, I don't know what is. Because this country does have money. We are just not spending it properly. Can you even see what it's being spent on? No, you can't. All of this with people that want to increase VAT, but don't actually want to spend the money properly.